Shri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dabholkar. Translation in English by late Zareen. Adhyay 6 OV 100. बिऱ्हाड सिद्ध कवठे म्हणून सातारा जिल्ह्यात देवस्थान, तेथे रामनवमीचे कीर्तन वर्षासन बुवास. At Birhad Siddha Kauthe in Satara district, there was a Devasthan where Bua did Kirtan on Ram Navami day every year, for which he was paid annually every year. आषाढीची एकादशी, रामनवमी चैत्रमासी या दोन वार्षिक उत्सवासी बाळाबुवासी संबंध. Balabua was connected with two annual festivals there, Ashadhi Ekadashi and Ram Navami, falling in the month of Chaitra. बादशाही सनद पाहता, बडे बाबांचे खर्चा करिता, रुपये 2400 मूळ व्यवस्था संस्थानी. According to a charter of the Mughal emperor, a sum of rupees 2400 had been allotted for the expenses of the deity, that is, Bade Baba, and the arrangements were made by the institution. असे या दोन उत्सवालागी रुपये 300 बुवांची बिदागी, परी ते वर्षी कवठ्यास मर्गी, पडले प्रसंगी ग्रामस्थ. For these two festivals, Bua was paid rupees 30, but that year there was a cholera epidemic at Kauthe and the villagers were in difficulty. तेणे रामनवमी राहिली, बुवास तेथुनी पत्रे आली, यावे आता पुढील साली, ग्रामची खाली झालासे. Therefore, the Ram Navami celebrations were called off there. Bua received letters from there to come the next year as the village was deserted. सारांश रामाची सेवा चुकली, बिदागी ही जागी राहिली, शिर्डीस जावया संधी फावली, भेट घेतली दीक्षितांची. In short, he lost the opportunity to serve Ram and did not also receive his allowance, but it gave him an opportunity to go to Shirdi, and therefore he met Dikshit. दीक्षित बाबांचे परमभक्त, शिर्डी गमनाचा मनोगत, पुरेल त्यांनी आणिता मनात, स्वार्थ परमार्थ साधेल. Dikshit was a great devotee of Baba. The desire to go to Shirdi would be fulfilled if he takes it upon himself, and, along with personal gain, spiritual benefits will be achieved. वदती तैते दीक्षिता लागुन, यंदा राहिले वर्षासन, घ्यावे वाटे बाबांचे दर्शन, तेथेची कीर्तन करावे. So, he told Dikshit that as his yearly stipend was temporarily held back, he had thought of having Baba's darshan and performing the kirtan there. भाऊ साहेब तेव्हा वदती, बिदागीची नाही निश्चिती, देणे न देणे बाबांचे हाती, लागेल संमती कीर्तनासी. Bhau Sahib then replied that there was no certainty of payment. To give or not to give was in the hands of Baba, and even for the kirtan, permission would be required. इतुके संभाषण चालले असता, काका महाजनी येऊनी अवचिता, शिर्डी प्रसाद उदी वाटिता, शुभ शकुनता गमली ते. While this conversation was going on, Kaka Mahajani came along unexpectedly and distributed Udi as prasad of Shirdi, and this was considered to be a good omen. तेच वेळी महाजनी आले होते शिर्डीहुनी, क्षेम कुशल वृत्त कळवुनी मग निज सदनी परतले. Mahajani had just returned from Shirdi. He conveyed that all was well there and therefore returned to his residence.